So in this case, an engineer would ask me, oh, I want to delete this Nginx Ingress service for some reason. I don't know. I saw on Twitter that it was bad. So now, instead of having me to look at this engineer and say, oh, no, that's the reason why you shouldn't remove the Ingress Nginx proxy, it can ask any and have the answer in seconds. In this case, it's super interesting. We won't go through everything, but being a graph, a complete graph of the full production system, it can go through, it can really tell your new engineer wanting to delete the Nginx Ingress, or and say, oh, this domain is actually going through this Cloudflare load balancer, then go through all the things we already saw that make a complete production system. And inside the platform, Annie can even give you information about her own memory, because Annie builds memory over time. That's why Annie is better the more you use it. So in this case, Annie, so it's the proof. It's a memory. Here you click on it and it's a memory item. And she remembers from previous explorations, from discussions, conversations, incidents, things. In this case, she remembers explicitly something about the topology of the infra, and she remembers that there is some Cloudflare, specifically Cloudflare environment, and the whole thing from Redis to the backend to Nginx to the ELB to Cloudflare to the internet, without having to go through the graph. So the power here is really about, it's already huge to have a graph, but now you also have like the memory, so it's instant. The information is instant. It's as if you were like, oh, Stefan, tell me how it's work, and I can tell you immediately this, but at the size of your team and the entire team.